The topic I chose was LGBTQ rights history. This is my homepage. One of my favorite aspects of all of my pages is that on a couple of them I have added a blog that I have written. This one is just an introduction blog, and then when you come over to the legislation or important events, you have a when it loads, an infographic here about the timeline of events that happened, and I even included when the Vietnam War ended to kind of put into perspective where things were at in that time. I also added a blog to this as well to kind of put it in like a story format for some students who may need to do that in order to remember rather than just reading the infographic. Another thing that I really enjoy about my website is I give them a prompt, and this is for high school level students, so 200 to 300 words should be reasonable. I also have a discussion area where they can post their discussions and kind of get talking about their ideas with that. Also, under resources, I have a comment section, and I have it detailed in there what to do. It also gives other students a chance to answer students' questions if they have a question on something, which I think is a great aspect. Another great thing I really liked about my website is this aspect. I know it's not a timeline, but if you hover the mouse over each box, it tells you what legislation is associated with each year, which I think is pretty cool in that aspect.